Assalamu alaikum doctors. In this video I am discussing a recall communication that is about diabetes mellitus. So the task is that a 14 years old girl recently diagnosed with the diabetes mellitus. So it is an information giving scenario. Any case, remember any case of diabetes mellitus, good or bad teenager, we should talk about insulin, measuring the blood glucose, exercise, counting carbs and hypoglycemia. Again, we should talk about insulin, measuring blood glucose, exercise, counting carbs and the hypoglycemia. So first of all, hello Nada, hello doctor. I'm Dr. Emma, one of doctor here. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Nada, I'm here to talk with you about your health. Would you like anyone to be here, or do you think I'm a baby and need a babysitter? So when we attendance, okay, of course not. I did not mean that. I just want to know if it is suitable time to start or not. You can start, doctor. Oh, how much do you know about your health conditions? They told me I have diabetes and they did not explain me anything for me. Okay, I'm sorry for that impressions, but let me explain for you. In our tummy there is a leaf-like organ we call pancreas. In this pancreas there are some cells that secrete the chemical substance called insulins. Have you heard about it before? So we draw a picture. In our tummy there is a leaf-like organ that is pancreas, which is produce a chemical substance that we call insulin. Yeah, I know what is the insulin, and this is the medicine I take it. This is the medicine I take it. Okay. Perfect. The insulin act like a key. It open the door of the cell to allow the sugar to be used as a fuel. Am I making myself clear? Yes, doctor. Also, we have in our body the defense system. It acts like as a strong soldiers against the germ and bugs. Are you with me? So what happened? This insulin act like a key. It opens the door of the cell to allow the sugar used as a fuel. And we have in our body the defense system. It acts like a strong soldier against the germs and bugs. Are you with me? Okay. But in your condition, what happened? It doesn't only attack only the germs and bugs. It attacks these insulins pointing to the pancreatic cells, resulting in no insulin, and that's it why we have to take it from outside. What happened? The defense system, germs and bugs. But in your condition, diabetic condition, the defense system also attack the insulin. That's why there is no any insulin and glucose not entering into the cell as a fuel. So glucose level is increased and diabetes is developed. So the teenager is asking for how long? I'm really sorry, Nada. We have to take it for lifelong. Say it with sad voice. Okay. Doctor, I cannot take injections for life. My grandma taking tabs. Why I cannot take tabs like here? This is very smart observations, but actually there are different types of diabetes. In your case, as I just mentioned, there is no insulin. That is why we have to take it from outside. But in your grandma conditions, she has some insulin, but it does not work properly. Am I clear? Okay. Okay, doctor, but 4 shots per day, it is very painful and my school friends gonna make fun of me. I'm sorry for that. I understand your feelings. If you want, we can give you some numbness cream to help you to ease the pain, and also we can liaise with the school nurse. You can go in her office to take your shots there. But doctor, 4 shots per day is too much. After a period of time, when we get diabetes under control, the gland doctor may change the regime for 4 shots a day or 2 shots a day. So she is telling that problem is painful, then we tell that numbness cream we are using. And if friends are making gonna fun, then she can go to the school nurse with the help she can give. And if 4 shots is much more, then we can arrange a meeting with the gland doctor who will change this. Okay, doctor. Also, Nada will have a meeting with the diet doctor. He will teach you what is good for you and what is bad for you, what is helpful and what is harmful. Are you with me? So diet doctor, always in diabetes, diet doctor we involve. Okay, it also better to have an active lifestyle. Also, diabetic nurse will teach you how to take the insulin by yourself and how to measure the blood glucose. Am I clear? So in diabetic communication, we are telling the diabetic nurse diet, lifestyle changing, and how to take the injections. These are how to measure blood glucose. Am I clear? Okay. Also, it is advisable to wear a bracelet and sometimes something sweaty in your bag all the time in case that you felt you are really hunger. Cold sweats or hand shivering, it is better to take, as this means that you have low blood sugar. Are you with me? So she something sweaty, something sweet in her bag keep, because they have a chance of develop hypoglycemia. You tell the features of hypoglycemia. These are like she feels really hunger, cold sweats and hand shivering. It is better to take, as this means you have low blood sugar. Are you with me? Yes, doctor, but I have another question. I'm really worried because my grandma had diabetes and she is losing her eyes. Is this gonna happen to me as well? I really understand your feelings and I'm really sorry for your grandma. Okay, we give some empathy. Actually, losing eyesight could be one of complications of uncontrolled diabetes. Following up with the team, taking insulin, this may not happen. Also, we'll have frequent follow-up with the eye doctor to pick up any early change in your eye to treat it very quickly. So follow up with the gland doctor, eye doctor regularly and pick up that any problem occur in eye, regular follow-up and treat it early. Then trusted website, written leaflet and support group. So this is all about diabetes mellitus communication. Thank you.